Morning 3R. Just wanted to do a quick video like I did last week. I'm going to try to do these every week for what to expect in the coming week. As I mentioned in the chat yesterday, we are going to move to reviewing. Before this week, I didn't really know what that was going to look like, and so the more I thought about it, I had thought that we will just use, we're going to use the AP Live videos on YouTube to review. So again, the DBQ is only periods 3 through 7. So that's pretty much starting French and Indian War up to World War II. So as far as years, we're looking at about 1754 to 1945. There are AP Live videos that cover period 8, that cover period 9, that cover period 1, that cover period 2. You can watch those if you want. That info is fair game if you want to use it for context, for outside evidence, for contextualization, like I mentioned, for unicorn point type of things. You can use it, but I'm not going to require you to watch those. What I'm going to do for APUSH, they actually just started period 3 this week, so I'm going to assign you 3 videos next week to watch, and then the weeks after that, leading up to the 15th, it'll be 4 videos to watch. These are running about 40 minutes in length, maybe a little bit. Actually, in APUSH, they're running over. They're about an hour in length. For each video, there's going to be a worksheet that you're going to, it's going to be easiest if you type your answers, if you can type your answers onto the worksheet and upload it or send it to me. If you want to handwrite notes, that's fine. It's just not, it's not going to be as easy. Even I'm going through the videos and typing up notes myself. So starting this week, you've got questions due on Monday, or I'm sorry, not questions, notes due for chapter 29 on Monday. You've got that DBQ scaffolding assignment on Vietnam due Tuesday. And then after that, I did assign those videos, the video worksheets, to be due midweek. I think the first one's due Wednesday, and then I had another one due Friday. So the first video that you're going to watch, and I'll link to it in the AP test review area of Microsoft Teams, 1754 to 1800, the American Revolution. And then the second video you're going to watch is also from period 3, which talks about the Articles of Confederation and the Constitution. There's some kind of corny videos in that one, and there's a video on the Sons of Liberty on the first one for period 3. You can skip through those videos if you want. They're only a couple of minutes in length. There's like a video embedded in the video. You'll see what I mean when you watch them. The Constitution ones are a little bit corny. And then the last video for period 3, I think that's actually the one that they're broadcasting today, is going to cover the Washington-Adams years, so about 1787 up to 1801. If you want to do this, I cannot imagine that many of you would do this, but if you want, these are broadcast live on the AP US History channel on YouTube every morning from 10 to 10:45. Let's say you don't want to wait for me to upload a worksheet, because I'm typing the worksheets as these videos are being done. Let's say you just want to watch the video live and take notes, and if you that's fine. If you want to do that, and you can take a picture of your notes or send me the notes that you took over your video, you could do that. You don't have to wait for the worksheet from me. The worksheet from me is just going to say, take notes on this part. But one thing that they're having you do on with these AP Live videos is they're putting questions in there for you to answer. And so make sure if you were to watch one live, that you answer like the sample SAQs or the sample pieces of the DBQ that they're telling you to answer, where I can see that. It is kind of fun to watch them, because I think I mentioned this in chat, there are like little Twitter polls and Twitter questions, and they're giving shout outs to people who are getting the questions right. It's kind of fun and entertaining to watch. So I hope you guys are doing well. Please let me know if you have trouble accessing these videos. I'm going to put a link to each video in the worksheet that I assigned to you. They're pretty easy to find via a search on YouTube. Again, I'll link the videos in Teams as well. Just let me know what you need. I will also continue probably giving you a DBQ assignment each week, just so our skills stay sharpened. So I hope you guys are doing well, and take care of yourself.